Imagine an office that redefines the very concept of workspace, with a 360-degree view that stretches as far as the eye can see, where your daily commute isn't a drive but a vertical climb, a journey straight up into the sky. And your job, the mission you undertake each day, is to keep the lights on, not just for a single home, but for thousands of homes, ensuring communities thrive. Welcome to the world of wind turbine technicians, the vanguard of renewable energy. In 2025, this isn't just a job, it's an adventure, a calling that blends the thrill of exploration with the satisfaction of making a tangible difference. It's a career path blending mechanics, electronics, and increasingly data science, requiring a diverse skill set. These turbines aren't simple windmills of the past, they're marvels of modern engineering. They're high-tech machines packed with sophisticated technology, needing skilled hands and sharp minds to keep them running smoothly. Wind techs are the doctors of these giants, the first responders when something goes awry, climbing into the nacelle, that central hub, high above the ground, to diagnose and repair everything from gearboxes, the heart of the turbine, to intricate control systems that manage its every move. Every efficient turbine means less reliance on fossil fuels, a step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future for all. These techs are the unsung heroes of the green energy revolution, the dedicated individuals ensuring our transition to renewable power. So, what's it really like to be the person responsible for powering a whole neighborhood, to know that your skills are directly contributing to a brighter tomorrow? For a wind turbine technician, the workday often begins before the sun even thinks about peeking over the horizon. It's a time of quiet anticipation as the team gathers in the pre-dawn light, ready to face the challenges and opportunities that the day holds. The first order of business is a comprehensive safety briefing and a meticulous gear check. Every harness, helmet, and tool is inspected, ensuring that everything is in perfect working order. Because when you're working hundreds of feet above the ground, suspended in the air, every single detail truly matters. There's no room for error, no margin for oversight. The climb itself is a ritual. Whether it's up a narrow, seemingly endless ladder or a slightly more comfortable service lift, the ascent is a journey into another world. Leaving the world behind, the sounds of the ground fading away as you rise higher and higher, until you emerge at the top, greeted by a panoramic view that few ever have the privilege to see. A breathtaking vista that stretches out in all directions, but the real work begins at the top. Routine maintenance, troubleshooting complex mechanical and electrical systems and making necessary repairs, all while the nacelle sways gently, or sometimes not so gently, in the wind. It's a constant reminder of the power of nature that surrounds you. Decisions are constant. Do you shut down a turbine for immediate repairs, potentially impacting energy production? Or do you keep it running and risk a bigger, more costly problem down the line? It's a delicate balancing act between safety, maximizing production, and implementing proactive prevention measures. The best techs develop a keen intuition for the machines they work on, often diagnosing subtle issues by the way the turbine sounds, or even by the vibrations they feel long before any aero code appears on a screen. Every call they make, every decision they take has a ripple effect, impacting safety, budgets, and the reliable power supply for thousands of homes and businesses. This job demands quick thinking in high-pressure situations, steady nerves when facing daunting challenges, and the careful, precise touch of a true craftsman. To excel in this high-stakes environment, you need a unique blend of skills. It's not just about physical strength or technical know-how, it's about combining both. You need both hands-on skills and a sharp mind, a solid understanding of mechanics, electronics, hydraulics, and the ability to perform digital diagnostics with precision. The real superpower? Relentless troubleshooting, the ability to think critically under pressure and to identify the root cause of any issue. Above all, a commitment to safety, because there are no shortcuts at 300 feet. Every procedure must be followed meticulously. Teamwork is everything. It's the foundation upon which every successful operation is built. Your life is in your partner's hands, and their life is in yours. Therefore, clear communication is non-negotiable. Every instruction, every observation must be communicated clearly and concisely. The tech is a blend of old and new. Hand tools, laptops, sophisticated SCADA systems, and even drones for detailed blade inspections, providing a bird's-eye view of potential issues. Augmented reality and remote support are rapidly becoming standard, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. These technologies are letting you solve complex problems with real-time help from experts located anywhere in the world. It's a job for those who love both the feel of wrenches and the power of cutting edge tech. Up here, trust and collaboration are as important as any tool in your kit. The pay is strong, often outpacing other trades, and grows with experience, with top techs earning six figures. Job security is real as wind farms multiply, so does demand for skilled techs. The work is tough climbing, lifting, braving the elements, but the sense of purpose and camaraderie is unmatched. Pressure is part of the job. When a turbine is down, every minute counts. But the rewards include flexible schedules, local work, and real work-life balance. This is a career for those who thrive on challenge, teamwork, and tangible results. If you want a job that works hard and lets you live fully, this is it. AI and automation are changing the game, but not replacing the techs. Predictive algorithms flag issues, drones inspect blades, and techs handle the skilled repairs. The job is shifting from routine tasks to complex problem solving and tech integration. Human intuition, adaptability, and hands-on skill are more valuable than ever. The future belongs to those who embrace new tech, keep learning, and bridge the gap between data and real-world repairs. This career can't be outsourced or automated away. It needs people who love a challenge and a view. If you're ready to climb, the wind industry is ready for you. The future is bright. Are you ready to look up?